What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Short, sweet. We're jamming. Yeah, we're jamming, baby. Alright, so I wasn't gonna make a video, but you know what? Why not? So here we are. We got our 64 Savoy. And we're jamming it out. Gotta do that for we can paint it. So here's how it's turning out. There's the white. That's one coat. She's laying on pretty good. Now we are using a single stage. I was running out of paint whenever I got its first coat, and I completely missed the inside of the fenders. I didn't even think about it. But right now we're on our flash time. We give it about 15 minutes. Don't tell nobody. I think that's a chemical reaction, because all that wasn't in there. I told him, you know, my dad, to his car, I told him to to wipe everything down with wax and grease remover. I don't think there it did, but anyway, she is coming out okay. I really like this color. This white's really pretty. Kind of just got the cow too, because obviously the jams, but it's turning out pretty good. We got about another 10 minutes in our flash time, and then we'll hit our second coat. We're only doing 2 coats, so another 10 minutes or so. We'll pick it back up after the second coat, I guess. Alright, second coat's on. That's all we're doing. Whenever we paint the car, I'm gonna have to pick this back up. There's like this little corner right here. I didn't get that very well, but that'll be the only spot really. Everything else looks good. All these windows things, these are actually, I think they're going red. I just wanted to get white like in there. There's a chrome piece that actually covers all of that, but still, you know what I mean. This will actually be going red, but the inside, the outside would be red. The inside is really what I was concerned about, and the top. And I think it turned out pretty good. Everything's still super wet. Door panel, y'all know, follows this line right here. So you got all that. This cow, if y'all remember, has been giving us a lot of trouble bodywork wise. So I went ahead and just one coat on the cow just to kind of see how it turned out. We got a little bit of paint to waste, so I think though it actually turned out pretty okay. Obviously this door jamb, this is probably the nicest one of the whole car. There's some shadows in there. I promise that's not like dark spots. I mean, guys, I can't complain. We're going to take a tape line and a little bit up on the cow, basically where the top of this bracket is. We're going to tape all that off, and underneath it will be black to like flow into the engine bay. Yeah, I know Mopar is supposed to be white or body color engine bay. This one's not, it's black. But now, since we have all that done, look at, boy, I wish y'all could see. It's super shiny for, you know, just a single stage. It laid down really well. Surprise. It is an ASIN, so I mean, it is a good. I didn't get, dang it, I didn't get that very good. Just right there in that area. That's okay. Like I said, that's actually going white, so whenever I paint the car, I'll have to fix all that. But all this would be red, so that only got one coat. Down there, you know, they got 2 coats, looking good. For the car, I think we'll do 3 coats on the car, since it is single stage. But not bad for painting it outside underneath a canopy while the sun's going down. My dang plastic blew off back here, so we're gonna have to re-blacken that. But it is what it is, guys. I'm happy with it. I think she's gonna look really good. I just can't believe all this is good, and I just missed this little area right here. All this is good. All this is good. Just right here I missed. Dang it. So when I paint the car white, there's a few spots I'll touch up. This will be one of them. Door jambs. Right there. That's like the old glue for the trim or the weather seal, so that's just gonna stay. But guys, I'm super happy with it. You know, just jamming it. Today is actually Thursday. I plan on painting this car on Sunday. There's a few things we got to fix, like the back little areas here. We need to fix those right just where it comes around. Need to fix those. It's got a small dent right there. You know, we'll hammer dolly that. And the hood. So we need to put the fenders on, and we need to still work on the hood a little bit. I was trying to find it with the camera. As y'all seen, the hood was super wavy. He started blocking on it today. You see all those gray spots? Yeah, that's where it was high. So we're gonna keep on doing that. All right, guys. So it's late at night. Second coat is done. It was done. Then I had to go back and touch some stuff up once it actually got in here in the light. But that's white. That is white. I think it looks great. Every little spot that was messed up, minus where this bug walked right there. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but the bug walked right in the dang paint. Little piece of plastic right there, but all that goes red. So this is gonna go red. That one's gonna go red. The white's gonna stay, and you know, obviously the white underneath, but it does have the chrome trim and all the way around. We did get the trunk. I can't really show you the trunk. I'm kind of blocked in at the moment. We got the inside of the fenders. The main thing was we wanted to get these parts of the fenders so we can get the fenders on the car, and then once the fenders on the car, we don't have to move it. Now I just kind of threw a tape line there. We're going to go through up here. The cowl's painted. It's got one coat on it, but it's not done. We still got to work it. We're just trying to see what it looked like. We're going to run a tape line basically at the top of this right here, and then it's going to come down all this, and then right here where this is, all that's going to stay white. Everything else is going black to flow back into the engine bay. So we got to, you know, fix all that. I'd rather have the black tape than white tape. It, you know, is what it is. So, but I think, you know, it turned out super good. I like a single stage. You know, if it was me, I probably would have bought base clear, but that's what he bought. So we're hoping to have the car. We're hoping Sunday. If it don't happen, it don't happen. It'll be next weekend. But I'm hoping Sunday we can spray the car white. Now, since it all is single stage, all three colors are single stage. It'd be a lot easier if it was base clear. Single stage, we're gonna have to paint it. It's gonna have to sit for. We're gonna give it a couple weeks to cure, and then we're gonna scuff it up. Probably do the blue, and then scuff it up again, then do the red. So, a couple people asked about it here. I'm gonna kind of explain it. So the car is majority white. From this body line to that body line, all this down the car will be blue. There's like a locust or something. I don't. Okay. All the way up to the top of the B pillar, all the way up to here, that'll be blue. The scoop is red. The door jamb, the top window thing right here, the window pillar, that's going red. Same with the back. The back tail panel is red, and then the roof is striped red and white. So I think there'll be 13 total stripes, just like a flag. Kind of debated. Try to talk. It's going back the exact same way it was back in the 80s. I tried to talk to him about putting on like an American flag up there, because he's already going to have the 13 stripes. It wouldn't be too hard for me to just add a little bit of that blue, and then, you know, put some stars on there, and then take off the stars. I'm pretty sure I could fit the 50 stars on it. You know, go Dollar Tree or whatever. Anyway, I'm just spitballing here. It will be raised because it's, you know, it's not gonna be cleared. But I'm thinking probably in about 4 or 5 years we'll go back through, knock the car down. I know it's not going to be perfect. We're going to paint it right here in this garage, and this garage is loaded with stuff, and it's not the cleanest place in the world. We'll probably knock it back down and probably base clear it in a paint booth. But for right now, I think she's good. I'm going to go in and get a shower. You'll see this tomorrow, but I love you guys. Catch you in the next one. Peace.